Frustrated with the NetSparkle Net40 Library DLL pop-up blocking NetSparkle Proj? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. As we look at the manual steps for NetSparkle Net40 Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the NetSparkle Net40 Library, a managed .NET library used for automated software updates in desktop apps. It handles the background download and localized MD5 and SHA signature verification of patches. If missing, the Check for Updates button in the application will do nothing or report a module load failure. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. If the host software cannot locate NetSparkle Net40 Library DLL, it indicates a corruption in the NetSparkle Proj subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the NetSparkle Net40 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Using an incorrect or unverified version of NetSparkle Net40 Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing NetSparkle Net40 Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching NetSparkle Net40 Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.